In recent years, despite numerous significant difficulties, challenges, and uncertainties, Vietnam's economy has gained remarkable accomplishments. Having been highly appreciated by local and global economic institutions, Vietnam has been ranked among the top 10 fastest growing economies and the top 16 most successful emerging economies in the world. Vietnam has become the ASEAN's fourth largest economy. In addition, being one of the countries that obtained great level of international economic integration, so far Vietnam has signed 17 free trade agreements and trade cooperation frameworks with leading economies around the world. In 2020, Vietnam was the world's largest pepper exporter, the second largest coffee and rice exporter, the third largest seafood exporter, and the fifth largest natural rubber exporter. Vietnam's export markets have been increasingly expanded and diversified, with a large number of enterprises deeply involving in regional and global value chains. The proportion of export value of high-tech products in the total export value of goods increased to approximately 50% in 2020. Having reached most of markets across the globe, Vietnam's exports have gradually gained a firm foothold and improved their competitiveness in various markets with high-quality requirements such as the EU, Japan, the USA, and Australia. Given competitive advantages in an open investment environment, socio-political stability, and abundant human resources at low cost, Vietnam has become a more appealing destination to foreign investors. South Africa is the first and the only African country that has established a partnership for cooperation and development with Vietnam. Also, South Africa is Vietnam's largest trading partner in Africa. Located in the southern part of the African continent, South Africa is one of the most developed countries in Africa and a driving force for the development of 14 countries in the Southern African Development Community. Establishing diplomatic ties since 1993, Vietnam and South Africa have developed a long-standing friendship that has always been a solid foundation for strengthening multi-sided cooperation between the two countries. The two countries have gained substantial achievements in various fields of politics, economy, trade, science and technology, and national security. As a leading trade partner in Africa, according to statistics of the General Department of Vietnam's Customs, in the 2016 to 2020 period, the bilateral trade turnover has grown by an average of 8.1%, valued over $1 billion yearly. In the year 2020, although international trade activities have been adversely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, two-way trade between Vietnam and South Africa positively grew at 23% compared to 2019. The structure of imports and exports between Vietnam and Africa is primarily complementary. Vietnam's major exports to these markets are mobile phones and components, computers, electronic products and components, footwear, machinery, equipment, tools and spare parts, cement, textile products, plastics materials, chemistry, pepper and seafood. Having African market access, many Vietnam's products have gradually secured a strong foothold in the market with the ever-increasing value. Besides the many Vietnam's export products to South Africa, many other products such as coffee, cashew nuts, iron, steel, aluminum, wood products and furniture are gradually making inroads into the South African market. On the other hand, Africa is a major supplier of Vietnam's domestic production and export processing for its products such as animal feed, metals, raw materials for textiles, leather and footwear, chemical products, ores and mine minerals and coal. Recently, high-quality South Africa fresh fruits and wines have been widely accepted and consumed by Vietnam's consumers. In the coming time, a number of promising and potential areas that Vietnam and South Africa can concentrate on promoting cooperation could be food processing, minerals, iron and steel processing, mining technology, logging, and pulp processing. South Africa serves as a gateway to Africa. Vietnam's products have the opportunity to access the Southern African Development Community market as well as the African region. On the contrary, South African enterprises will be able to access to the large ASEAN's economic community market and 6 major ASEAN partners, namely China, Japan, Korea, India, Australia, New Zealand, and the CPTPP's country members, namely Canada, Mexico, Peru, and Chile, through Vietnam. It can be clearly seen that enjoying the diverse trade ties as well as the close friendship, Vietnam and South Africa are potential partners to each other. As the opportunity and fortunes are dawning for the two countries, both governments play fundamental roles for the success of the two countries' enterprises in the coming years.